Liam had one simple rule in his life: never say no to anyone. If someone asked for help, he said yes. If someone wanted his time, he said yes. People loved him. Until the day his yes almost destroyed his own life. Liam was a kind and polite high school student. Every morning, he arrived at school early. And every morning, someone needed something from him. "Liam, can you do my homework?" "I forgot," said his classmate Mark. "Sure, I'll do it," Liam answered. "Liam, can you carry these boxes for me?" the teacher asked. "Of course I can," he said with a smile. At lunch, his friend Anna came to him. "Liam, can you listen to my problems? I feel so sad today." Liam wanted to eat his food, but he couldn't say no. "Yes, tell me everything," he said, and his lunch became cold. Day after day, Liam said yes to everyone, except himself. 1 week before the final exams, Liam made a study plan. This time, he wanted to focus on his own life. But as he opened his book, his phone started ringing. "Liam, can you help me move my furniture today?" a neighbor asked. "Yes," Liam answered, closing his book slowly. Later, his cousin texted, "Bro, can you design a poster for my event?" "I need it tonight." Liam was tired, but he typed, "Okay, I'll do it." That night, he went to bed at 2 a.m., exhausted and worried. The next morning at school, his teacher said, "Liam, I heard you are very responsible. Can you be the leader of the science project? You will manage everything." Liam's heart was screaming, "No, I can't." But his mouth said, "Yes, I can." His friends clapped and smiled. Only Liam knew how heavy his life was becoming. On the day before the exam, Liam sat alone in the library. His notes were empty. His eyes were red. Mark came again. "Liam, can you let me copy your answers tomorrow?" Liam looked at him, shocked. "If I get caught, I can fail," Liam said softly. "Come on, you always help everyone," Mark insisted. In that moment, something changed inside Liam. He remembered all the nights he couldn't sleep, all the plans he canceled, all the times he felt invisible in his own life. He took a deep breath and said clearly, "No, Mark, I will not do that." Mark's smile disappeared. "Wow, you've changed," he said and walked away. For the first time, Liam felt a strange new feeling. It was not guilt. It was respect for himself. After that day, Liam did not say yes to everyone. He still helped people, but only when he truly could. Many people stayed. Some people left. But the most important person finally arrived in his life: himself. Remember, saying no to others is sometimes saying yes to your own life. Now, let's practice 5 useful English phrases from this story. Listen and repeat after me. Overwhelmed. Feeling like you have too many problems or too much work. Liam felt overwhelmed by all the requests. Repeat. Liam felt overwhelmed by all the requests. Favor. Something kind you do to help someone. Can you do me a favor and help me move this box? Repeat. Can you do me a favor and help me move this box? Boundary. A limit that protects your time and energy. It is healthy to have boundaries. Repeat. It is healthy to have boundaries. Take advantage of. To use someone in an unfair way. Some classmates took advantage of Liam's kindness. Repeat. Some classmates took advantage of Liam's kindness. Stand up for yourself, to protect yourself and your needs. Liam finally stood up for himself. Repeat. Liam finally stood up for himself. Great job. Remember this sentence. I can be kind and still say no. Repeat. I can be kind and still say no.